Valentine's also. They call me something. Thank you. Hi, Karen. Joey, hello. Pero sige lang. Bawi tayo. Kaka-alas 12 pa lang naman. Hi, Pan! Walang matutulog. Gisingin si Mommy Shark. Sweet sana yun, no? If we really started at exactly 11 p.m. and then sabay-sabay tayong nanood for Tatiana. Official Mushi! Thank you, Mushi. Mushi, thank you. Hi, Cole. Antoinette, hello. But I'm sorry. Pero kasi, wala pang 12. Tama ba? Wala pang 12 eh. Hello, Alerona! Hindi ko talaga alam itatawag ko sa iyo. Ito din ang problema ko with my eyes. Kasi, hooded eyes ako. Wala ako yung talukap. Diba yung lubog yung mga dito? So, konting maga lang. Halatang halata siya dito. Ayan o. Ayan o yung excess skin. Meron ako sa eye. So, yung maga halata agad. Hindi naman scam. But, syempre, as Filipino time, hindi. Ito talaga. Humihingi ako ng pasensya from the bottom of my heart. I'm very, very sorry. I am genuinely sorry, guys. To all my babies, my children, also to my celestials. I know you waited at exactly 11:50 p.m. Me too, guys. But I don't want to go on live without Mommy Shark. Thank you, Angel. Zara, thank you. Pero sabi ko, ayoko rin maging talk shit. Yung ba yung term? Sorry for the word. Or paasa. But yeah, I'm here. I'm just late. I'm sorry. Jonah, thank you. But let's wait. You know. We have 1 hour difference. Kiss na lang. Wow, Muhang PH, thank you. Iya, hello. Pero sige lang, hindi pa naman, it's not yet too late. It's just a countdown, you know. We still have whole day for today. Tayo na lang ang mag-date. Muntik na magtampo. No, I also don't wanna call her. Kasi what if she's sleeping already? Or baka naman may pasabog din siya. Let's just wait. Actually, nauna na nga siya mag-post eh. Cute. Nikilig ako. Yes, happy Valentine's, everyone. So again, Valentine's Day is not just for your romantic relationship, but also your relationship with your friends, with your family. So you could also invite them to eat out, date with your family or friends. Sa lahat ng mga single dyan. Happy Valentine's Day then. I-celebrate nyo na lang yan with us later. Pero at least, hindi naman ako naging paasa with uploading the Tatiana. Tatiana, tama ba? What's that? Okay. Yeah. So, yun. Ria, hello. Hi, Sam. Ang haggard ko. Actually, my face right now is swollen. But it's not really that obvious. But it's really swollen and it's kinda reddish. Thank you. They call me MJ. I can understand some Bisaya words, but I am very fluent in Waray. Muha miss awake na? Really? Oh, totoo? Okay. How? Did she know that I'm on live na? Paano nga? Pero yun, pasensya na talaga. Sorry talaga. I'm very excited with the countdown. I even set my alarm at 11 p.m. Pero sorry talaga. Pero okay lang. At least, hello Judy Ann, hello Pearl, hello baby. So yeah, at least we already uploaded the video on time. I'm just late with the countdown. Ginmimingaw na ako, haiya. Gid daw kagiro. Hello. Yeah, happy Valentine's. Vanessa, hello. Shira, welcome to my live. Dili ko kasabot talaga mag-Ilonggo, but I can understand Ilonggo and also Bisaya and some Bicolano. But I'm not really fluent in speaking those three languages. Magirok gud ito. Agid daw kapikat. Gihigugma ko ikaw. I'm from Cebu. Padaba ta ka. I know that. I've been to Albay for I think more than 4 times. Basta parang ilang beses na. I can't recall how many times I've been to Albay. Yeah. It's just really fascinating to see the Mayon volcano. One time, I also had the opportunity, to see the lava coming out. It was really beautiful, even though it's really scary, and dangerous. But it's really, really beautiful, honestly. So, there's still danger in that beauty, but it's really beautiful. Kasi aside from vacation, I also go there to, of course, attend some events, judge a pageant. Ayatin ka. Ayatin ka. Ilocano? I'm not sure pero I think we have at least more than 100 languages. Kasama na yun yung mga language ng tribe. Miss G, thank you. Erica, thank you. Antoinette. Okay, so I'm only 8% right now. And at this exact area, I don't have any sakit. But yeah, okay. Again, I will not promise because the last time that I promised, I just broke it. But hopefully later, I will go on live again and ask Muam because I think she fell asleep now. Yeah. Yeah. Nagpintas. Pintas is beautiful. Right? Julian, thank you po. Ayan pa. Ay, naalala ko na naman yung gifts na yan. Pera na naging coins pa. Wala, hindi ko siya na cash out. But thank you so much for always giving me gifts. Thank you. Kaluguranda ka. Kaluguran. Kapangpangan. I love you din yan. Palangga. Palangga is also Kapampangan. No. Ilonggo, Palangga. Kasi yan ang tawag sa akin ng local director ko, si Dato Yuri. The best local director. Ga. Minsan pag bad trip na siya, nadodoble niya. pag sweet siya, ga. But if I'm very annoying na and maldita, dinadoble niya na. Bakit ba eh? Wo I need Chinese. Girl. I'm multilingual. De joke lang. Katurog na ate. Ayaw, God. Hindi, ganito na lang. I will not end my live. Hintayin na lang natin siya mag-end since I'm low but pero again, I am very, very sorry. I know that you really expected and waited for the countdown, but it was just 10 minutes late. Okay, sorry. No, I'm not justifying my action. Pero, yun nga. Sorry. Hi, Jel. Padabata ka. Ayan, Bicolano yan. Alam ko yan. Ano pa? Sige. Challenge me. I'll guess the language. T-Rex. Thai, of course. Ginaslight yung mga anak. Sorry na, hindi. You know, as a Pisces talaga, madali kaming mag-guilty. Kung alam nyo lang gaano ko nagigilty ngayon. Kasi, paano ba? Pero yeah, I'm very sorry. Sorry talaga. Thank you. Ara, hello. Tama ba? Welcome to my live or tama bang grammar ko? Welcome to my live. But yeah, sorry talaga. Nagigilty ako. Okay, I'm 6%. Dad, sana mo-push yung meet and greet nyo ni Mom. Yo, me too. Basta waray, maghusay. Chanrakun. Drawing? Ano yung drawing? Wala namang drawing. Tsaka I did not promise naman na na I'll go on live with Mommy Shar kasi syempre I really don't know her schedule. She's busy, especially now, especially this month. But the promise that I really broke was the countdown thing. So I'm very, very sorry about that. Countdown pala ng battery. 6%. Pero anyway, I just want to share na I am also now a fan of, aside from the Emma Bell, of course, I'm also now a fan of Hihi and Anita. Hinita. For me, they are Hinita. Bahala kayo. No one can change my mind. Ewan ko. Kasi, kinikilig din ako. Tawag-tawa talaga ako hanggang ngayon. Pag naalala ko. But anyway, cute. Pero nakakabaha kasi I saw a video here on TikTok. He said that she wanted someone who is Thai to be his or her girlfriend. Her girlfriend. Okay, her girlfriend. Tapos, sabi niyo, nireto pa siya kay Muan. So parang, what? Hihi. Bakit nag-iyak? Hihi by Michael Jackson. Hi, Moon! Hello, Hyacinth. In fairness, ha? Ang tagal ma-lowbat. 6% pa rin. But yes. Anong kinakabahan? Hindi ako kinakabahan. I can fight. Fight. Kailangan si RC. Fight. Kaya ko rin yun. Gusto yung sample pa eh. But anyway, yeah, sorry. I look very haggard tonight. I don't want to put makeup on kasi I just had facial. And honestly, it's not really obvious, but it's really red right now. Maybe because it's not really... There's no light in here, that's why. It's not showing, but... Ay. Hello, Jonah. Kamusta na ang bata? Ewan ko dun. Kain ng Cerelac. Tumatangkad tuloy. Wait lang, isa lang. Hindi ko mabasa. Bakuran natin. Ay, payat to. May muscle to. Hindi, pero cute talaga sila. Nakakatawa. Tapos, yung ngiti mo, Anita, totoo na yan. Girl, kinikilig na siya. Totoo na yung ngiti niya, kilig na. Okay, madaming Muji dito. May mga mall dito. Hi, thank you, Vanessa. Hello, heart. Thank you for the flowers. Muji ka dyan. Ang pinakamura sigurong mabibili mo sa Muji is yung cotton candy. And it's color white. Wait lang Mojito. Thank you po, Terona. Thank you for always supporting me morally and financially. Pagpalain ka nawa ng Diyos. Thank you. Mojito. At saka, hoy, Ano ba yan, nahiya ako kasi some of my old videos are being shown on your FYP. Hiya tuloy ako. Baka ano pang malaman nyo doon. Still 6%! May sakit na tong iPhone na to. Ang galing! Feeling ko, alam ng iPhone na ayaw, na nagla-live tayo at ayaw niyo malobat. Sa letrang P po yan. Ayun, yun, wala namang pasok bukas, Saturday. Grabe, ang galing. Na-amaze ako. Kung kailan hindi ko kailangan yung ganyang katagal na battery, hindi siya namamatay. Pag nasa labas ako, 1% na lang agad yan. Pero yun na nga. Ay, may exam tomorrow? Ay, may pasok pa rin kayo? Saturday? Sabado Tsaka Valentine's. Grabe naman. Pero yes, I also want to go on live with CJ. Parang, since Miss Cosmo, never pa ako naka-live with CJ. Nagla-live pa rin ba siya? Or pasulpot-sulpot lang din? Pero again, hindi ako magpa-promise. Pero try kong kulitin si Mami Shark mamaya. Kahit mabilisan lang. Kasi busy talaga siya. Kita niyo sked niya. But I'll try my best, okay? Since may utang ako sa inyong countdown. Sayang. Gusto ko pa naman parang New Year. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, let's post. But anyway, still, thank you for giving your Daddy Short. Ayan, 5% na siya. Happy 1 million. Thank you, babies. About sa ring. Hindi pa ako nag-I do. Tsaka na. Pag nag-I do, hello, not Michiko. Wait, we understand. Wait lang. You, Dad, because we love you. No, hindi. I feel so guilty right now, honestly. Late na ako, ma. Oo, B. Pa-end na ako ng live. Ano? Ma? Ano? Nawala. May mailo ako. Inaabangan nyo yung ring. Okay, umasa muna kayo. Gusto ko hindi kayo makatulog because you're thinking about that ring. Total, you made me feel guilty. Ibabalik ko sa inyo. Alam mo yung palagante? Pinagilty nyo ako ngayon na ibabalik ko sa inyo. Hanapin nyo. La 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 la. Nakasabi. Uy, parang kamukha ko dito si Miss Zainab. Joke, feeling lang. 4%. 4%. Ito ang totoong countdown. Nung 11:50 PM, ito ang countdown. Ayan, 4%. Okay, yan ang countdown. Kala nyo puyat pa kayo Sige, gantihan lang to. Pinag-guilty nyo ako, hindi ako nag-countdown ng 11:50. Pero pinost ko naman ng 12, sakto yung video. Ayan, 4%. Countdown kayo dyan. La 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 La, la, la. Pero bakit kayo lagi akong lowbat? Hindi, kasi ang goal ko talaga, I really made sure that my phone is fully charged 100%. And hindi ko siya i-charge ng 2 beses sa isang araw. Just one. Kaasar. Hello, Erica. Anong battery health mo, ma? I'm not sure. The phone that I am using right now is iPhone 6. Alam nyo, nangaasar din kayo. Kung kailan pa countdown na ng pa-end ang live, tsaka kayo dumadami. 2,000 lang tayo kanina. Ngayon, 3,000 na eh. 3%. 3% na lang ako. Andiyan na si Muha? Dapat 20% lang ang charge. At totoo ba, hindi ba dapat siya i-drain? Tsaka siya i-charge? Okay, sige. Okay, promise ko tonight, aside sa live ulit today with Muham. Ay, hindi pala. I don't want to make a promise. Okay, so don't drain the phone. Tsaka dapat 20% lang, charge mo na. And 95%? Anong 95%? Di ko gets. 90-20? Ay, totoo ba? Hindi ba 100? Tapos drain? Nangaasar talaga kayo. Pa 3,000 na tayo, 3% na lang ako. Kainis kayo. 2095. Okay, 2095. Pero usually 2080. Hindi masyado nang madali malobad ang 2080. I think hindi, ganito na lang. After this live, charge ko lang siya. Ay, hindi, makakatulog na ako eh. Wala, I'll just leave it like this way. Low bat. Tapos, tomorrow I'll check my battery health and then see if tamang battery percentage to charge my phone. Huh? Really? 2%. Seryoso ba? Paano malaman? Muham is here, Liar. Muham, kung andito ka, magparamdam ka. 2%, guys. Andito nga ni... Okay, up na. Kung andito. Gusto nyo lang ako mag-charge. Ang sarap na ng upo ko eh. Ano kasi to? Ayun o, yun na uuyog-uyog. Bakit 3,000 na kayo? 2% na lang ako. Ito ang totoong countdown. Mas malala pa to sa countdown New Year. Charge ko na. Wala naman. Sinungaling. Totoo, magcha-charge na. Ay, 2% nga. So, on. O, sige. Up na, mami. Liar. Change phone. Change phone? Pangit yun eh. Wala siya. Liar kayo. Gusto niya lang akong mag-charge. Ano? Nandito siya, Eme. Si Vanessa lang nakikita ko eh. At saka si Michi ko eh. Hello from Vietnam. Xin chào. Chúc mừng năm mới. I'm gonna miss saying that. Kasi after the Lunar New Year, no more chukmonamoy. No more chukmonamoy. Hi DJ, Bridge, hello. Thank you for the gift. Alam nyo, niloloko niya na ako. Hello, C. Vanessa, hello. Thank you again. 3,000 na po yan. Di ba kayo naawa dyan sa itim ng mata ko? Maawa naman kayo. 2%. Mua Monsieur. Ano ba? O sige, up until 1. Anong paabutin? Anong paabutin? Hindi ko na nabasa na wala. Charge. 1%. 1% na. 1%. Ano ba yan? Ayoko na. But anyway, sige, kulitin natin si Chut na pa. Mag-live mamaya. 1% guys, hindi ko alam pa may end siya, pero thank you everyone. Again, I'm truly sorry. I was also excited with that countdown. Pero may chance pa bumawi, okay? May second chance pa, di ba? Second chance. Erica, thank you. Rhea, thank you. Go extra 99, please. 1%. Countdown na ha. Ito ang countdown. Ayoko na magsalita kasi baka mamaya habang nagsasalita ako, maligwak na siya. Machugi. But thank you, babies. Rest well to all the babies that have examination day tomorrow. Later. Good luck also. Text extend. Send to 999. Send to 55555. Official Mochi. Thank you, babies. Tulog na kayo. Sige na. Tatrabahuin natin yan mamaya. Maka-live tayo with mommy. Sorry ulit ho. Patawarin niyo ako. No joke. Guilty ako. Sorry. Hindi ako makapromise, pero tatrabahuin natin. Ang tagal ah. In fairness, ang tibay pa ng battery ko. Haranahin daw. Ready na ba kayo sa lero? Pero, love song version. Yung medyo pa R&B. Gusto yun. Jonah, thank you. My celestials, thank you. Acoustic. But yeah, thank you, baby. Sleep well. And again, happy Valentine's Day. Haranayin natin siya. Isip ako ng love song na kaya lang ng rage ng boses ko. Sige. Pero di ako mag-promise what time. Okay? Para makabawi man lang ako sa kasalanan ko sa inyo today. Ayoko mag-promise kasi tignan nyo, napaasa ko nga kayo sa countdown ng 11:15. Marilag! WDDWM na lang. Diba? Kaya ko pa yun eh. Blue Sky. Baka mag-cry-cry ako. Ang Blue Sky, naalala ko na lang siya kapag paalis ako ng Pilipinas pa Vietnam. Parang yan yung theme song ko. Blue Sky. Pusong bato. Hindi! Buko! Buko! O di kayo magkabilang mundo. Fight, fight! Ngop team, hello! Chok mo na, moy! Ah, diba? Papractice na ako bago mag-live. Ang tibay talaga! 1% to hindi pa na ano? Nag-off? Galing. Kaya ko tadhana. Pero kasi Tagalog man yun. Baka hindi man niya ma-appreciate. English song. Sometimes. Ayan, parang nag-i-slow mo na ako. Kahit ako kinakabahan.